Hey guys, how we doing? And welcome to vlog number 2. First one, quite the success. Well, it wasn't a failure anyway. I don't know how much of a success it was, but at any rate, we're going to keep these going. So right now we've got vlog number 2. What are we doing in vlog number 2? We've got the awesome abandoned structures that we're going to go look at. This one's pretty close to my house. This was actually, I went here first, and then I went to the barn that you saw in vlog number 1. So it was a pretty active day. And what we're doing is using the compact but very powerful Ricoh GR III for this shoot today. Now again, this shoot was actually a couple of months ago and I never did post it. So along with the barn that I posted last week, the sunset, we're posting this one this week. And then, but those are the only two I have on back order. So from now on, I have to actually get out here in the cold and do these little adventures. But I plan on doing that. We're going to have a lot of these. So hopefully this is something that you're into, something you want to watch. And again, our question of the week, which will be combined with the first vlog's question of the week. And I will make another video here in a few days with all the comments. So this week's question of the week is, do you enter abandoned structures to take photos? I do in this one. You know, you come across a lot of problems. You can step on things, you can fall through the floor, you can be arrested for trespassing, all kinds of different stuff. So when you come upon a structure, do you not go in because of that, or do you say screw it and go in anyway? So let me know. I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. Also, do abandoned structures scare you in the haunted sense? Are you the type of person that will not go into a structure if you were told it was haunted? Or how about that same structure if you were not told it was haunted? It's kind of the way I am. I'd like to hear your views on this. What I look at is, I don't not believe in spirits and things, so I don't know that they're not there, so they certainly could be. I don't invite them into my life. Kind of like not inviting the vampire into your house. Maybe that's a myth, but, well, of course, I don't know if vampires exist, but point being, I'm never going to invite one into my house. So, you know, that's that. I don't shoot cemeteries because it's inviting that into my camera. The only reason you shoot cemeteries is because there are dead people there. And I just figure, you know, I don't really need photos of headstones and cemeteries and eerie stuff like that. So I don't approach it from that perspective. A lot of people get off on that. They really like that, and that's great. I don't. So are you like me, kind of like that? Again, I don't believe, but I do believe. It's like aliens. I mean, let's face it, until you can show me proof they're not there, odds are they're probably there. So, you know, hopefully they'll just leave me alone. Same way with the spirits. I don't use Ouija boards, stuff like that. I don't invite that stuff into my life. Are you like that? Is that silly? Is it stupid-stition for you? What's your thoughts? I'd like to hear that. So let me know and in the comments below. And again, these I'll make a video here. The next video will probably be the comments from this video and the last video. So make sure you get in and get your comments in, and we'll post those and let other people see what you think. So do that. Now, the last thing is, on this vlog, I've started numbering the photos. So if you want to comment about a specific photo, just now there'll be a number. There's a number with all of the listings, all of the settings, I'm sorry, of the of that shot. So I show the shutter speed, the aperture, and the ISO. I should have done that in the barn video, but you know, this is, I'm not a videographer, I'm a photographer. This channel is for photographers, not videographers. So, you know, I'm learning as I go. So at any rate, feel free to comment on any of the photos. You can use the number and say, hey, I like this one, or hey, this one's crap, or, you know, whatever you want to do. I'm open to it all. But feel free to comment. Again, something you say could be something that somebody else didn't think about, and they will start implementing in their photography. And that's kind of why we're all here. That's why I'm here anyway. So again, guys, this will be it for number 2, and I have no idea what number 3 is going to be, so that'll be exciting, but that'll be next week, and we'll make sure and get it in here. I've got some other stuff I've got coming around the bend too that I think you might like, so I'm going to get more active here on YouTube. So again, guys, appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, guys, so what we got here is, looks like an abandoned house, and kind of a cool, out here in the country. So what we're gonna do is get up close, still a long way before sunset, so we're gonna get up close and get some shots of this house. And the front door is actually open. There are some cars passing by here, so we have to be careful, but we'll go to get inside here, push the weeds down. And this is very cool. Okay. Just kind of neat to take shots like that. So let's get back outside here. We're at ISO 320. I'm just going to leave that locked in at ISO 320. Let's see, we've got our cool shot right there. All right, you may not get too many out of this, but I am going to hit the front door, which means I do have to knock some weeds down. I don't think anybody be too upset about messing up the weeds, so I'll climb up here. Okay, that's very cool. Let's see what we get here. I have to lower my shutter speed down to 1/25 of a second. And there we go. Somebody's been in here doing stuff. So I'm down to a 60th of a second at 5.6. I'm going to go down to 4.5. I'll need to change my ISO way up to about 64. Well, we'll go 4,000. That's pretty good right there. So now I can go up to about 1/100th of a second. Anybody here? I'm at 2/50th of a second, 4.5, ISO 4,000. Probably should not be in here. Could easily fall through the floor, who knows what. Disregard the penis on the wall. Sure that's not what that is. Okay. It's actually very cool. Alright. And we'll do a couple more here, then we'll get the heck on out of here. Okay, 1/60th. Just trying to get some cool angles here. All right. So pretty much got some cool shots. Now we'll get out of here. Probably never a good idea to enter like that, but whatever. Okay, so just trying to get some decent random shots, which I think I did. Oh, shit. And we'll get a couple more over here, and then we'll continue on our way, on our journey, and see what we can come up with. Always cool when you can start off with something really neat like this. There we go, and that's 1/200th of a second at 4.5. We'll just go on up to 5.6, which is always a good mark if you can get there, and that'll give us 1/25th of a second. Just a real kind of a cool shot, nothing to get excited about, nothing to write home about, but just kind of a neat shot. So let me get one more over here. and then we will continue on our way. Looks like more structures over that way, but there is one more over there that's pretty cool, but I don't really need that. Sky's a little washed out shooting that way because the sun is that way. So I think our best angle is right here with the, of course, the evening sun hitting the building. Let me get a couple down low here. That's pretty cool. There we go. We got some decent shots anyway. Again, nothing to get excited about. Have to go way back here for our 28mm to get us a good frame. And there we have it. So we'll go ahead and take that for what it is. Hey guys, just wanted to pop in here at the end of the video, and once again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you picked something up out of that. It's kind of fun to go in an abandoned structure, but be very careful. Again, I was trespassing. I don't know what kind of laws I was breaking, all kinds of stuff like that. All right guys, so remember, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.